Good morning students, I am Ashish Srivastava here. In mathematics class here the new topic is perimeter. So we will talk about the perimeter today. So students, first question is rise in our mind, what is perimeter? Perimeter stands as the outer dimension of any figure. For example, I have this triangle in my hand. And if I ask what is the perimeter of this triangle, then what we will do? I will measure this side and this side. And after that, I will add these three sides together. And in such way, I will get the sum of these three sides. This sum of three sides stands as the perimeter of this triangle. It means the sum of outer dimensions of any figure is known as the perimeter of that figure. It is very simple concept and the figure maybe, as you know, the figures are two types, regular or irregular. So regular figures are those are having all sides equal. Suppose that I am drawing here a quadrilateral. If this quadrilateral have equal sides, all sides equal, then it is a regular figure. Suppose that I am drawing a triangle over here with equal sides, then it is a regular figure. But suppose that I am drawing like that, so it is not regular figure. Why? Because it have no equal sides. You can see these two sides are short while these two sides are long. So it is irregular figure. So let's talk about one by one the perimeter of regular figures and irregular figures. So students, here some regular figure I have drawn on the board. It is a quadrilateral, it is triangle, it is pentagon and it is hexagon. Hexagon have the 6 sides, that's why it is hexagon. Pentagon have the 5 sides, so that's why it is pentagon. It is triangle, trine is 3, it have the 3 sides, and quadrilateral have 4 sides. So all these figures have equal dimensions. Its sides are equal to each other, side of these triangles are equal to each other, sides of this pentagon are equal to each other, and the sides of this hexagon is also having equal length. So suppose that if the side of this quadrilateral is 4 centimeter, then the side of other sides also be 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So if I want to calculate the perimeter of this quadrilateral, then the simple thing is there, sum of all sides. That's one you should keep in your mind. Sum of all sides. You will add all the sides and hence you will get the perimeter of this quadrilateral. So let's start. So the perimeter is sum of side, means first side, second side, third side and fourth side. So the sum is 16 centimeter. Right? So in spite of adding the side, you can use the multiplication also. Means it have the 4 sides. So number of sides, that is 4, and the dimension of each side, that is 4. So 4 4 just 16. In such way, you also can calculate the perimeter of this quadrilateral. Why I have multiplied this 4 centimeter with 4? Because this 4 is the number of sides. In spite of adding, you will multiply also. So same thing I am going to do with this triangle. So let's start to find the perimeter of this triangle. Suppose that beta, this triangle have the side of 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter of the triangle is sum of sides So first side is 5, second side is also 5, and third side is also 5. Hence the answer is 15 centimeter. On spite of adding them, you can multiply. So number of sides are over here are 3, and the dimension of each side is 5 centimeter. So multiply them, you will get your perimeter. So either you will add them, either you should do like that. So similarly, you can find the perimeter of other figures also. Suppose that this hexagon have the sides of 3 centimeter. So the perimeter of this hexagon will be sum of side. Sum of side means 3 plus 3 plus 3, and how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So the perimeter is 18 centimeter. Or either you can find the perimeter by multiplication, like that. 3 into 6. 6 the number of sides, and 3 is the length of each side. So it is 18 centimeter. So after this discussion, we come to the conclusion that is the perimeter of any regular figure, keep it in your mind, is length of one side into number of sides. Here's the general formula for finding the perimeter of any regular figure. Right? Regular figure means having all sides equal. So length of one side into number of sides. Either you can write it sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. So in such way you are able to find the perimeter of any regular figure. Now let's talk about the irregular figures. Here on the board I have drawn some irregular figures. Suppose that it is triangle, have no equal sides, it is irregular figure. So how to find the perimeter of these irregular figures? It is just simple, sum of all sides. Add all the sides, you will get the perimeter of any figure. So suppose that in this triangle, this side is 3 centimeter, this side is 5 centimeter, and this side is 7 centimeter. Suppose that. So the perimeter should be, perimeter of this triangle will be sum of all sides. It is, yes, you are right, it is 15 centimeter. Suppose that I am going to find the perimeter of this side. It is 2 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter, it is 7 centimeter, and it is 8 centimeter. So the perimeter of this figure will be sum of all sides. It will be 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 7. Hence the answer is 21 centimeter. One more example. Suppose that here a cross sign I have drawn on the board. So if you want to calculate the perimeter of this figure, so just count how many sides are there. Let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 sides. So add all the sides, you will get your answer. Right? So suppose that it is 2 centimeter, it is 3 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, it is 3, it is 3, and it is 2. Here it is 4, it is 4, and it is 2, it is 2, and it is 2. So the sum of all 11 sides will be equal to the perimeter of this figure. So the perimeter will be, let's start from here, 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 sides, 12 numbers are here. So add all them, you will get your answer. 2 plus 2, 4, 3, 7, to 9, 3, 12, to 15, 3, 18, to 20, 24, 26, 30, 32. So here the perimeter is 32 centimeter. Right guys? Okay. So I have told you today about the perimeters. So let's do some exercise. I will post your homework on the EduNext app. From there you will get your homework today. So that's all for today. Guys, I think you have understood to find the perimeter of any figure, either it is regular or irregular. We will meet on the next meeting. Till then, thank you. Have a nice time.